watching. Hello, thank you for supporting. Am I into Belle? You know, Belle, I will just say this. I enjoy being with her. I enjoy, her presence. I enjoy working with her, and she's an amazing person. That's all I'm gonna say.
Okay, and I totally respect that. Bel, ikaw, pag naririnig mo sinasabi yan ni Donnie, ano ang iyong reaksyon?
Siyempre, Tito Boy, coming from Donnie, nakaka-flatter po. You know, and same goes to him. I enjoy his presence as well. I enjoy his company. It's really fun to work with him, and ang dami ko rin pong natututunan sa kanya. And I admire him about that.
Did you have an inkling, did you have an idea na ang lakas-lakas nung kilig ninyong dalawa?
It's hard to really say, diba, at the start. You can't,
Hard, no?
if it's you
Hard.
guys,
Yeah.
if it's you guys na